Welcome to the third installment of my 5 New Technologies podcast. This time I'm going to look at a tool called Desmos. Desmos is an extremely powerful tool for physics students, even math students. It's an online graphing calculator that gives students the ability to plot graphs that can easily be screenshot from any computer. They can put these screenshots in their lab reports, posters, or presentations. It's much more convenient than a typical graphing calculator. In addition, I think one very important application is it provides access to those students who cannot afford a nice graphing calculator. The objective for this video and the next three is for my students is going to be use the data that you collected from an experiment to create a poster and slide presentation. So two different types of presentations. They're to include any important graphical information that they found to supplement their presentations. That graphical information is going to be what's going to be used from this Desmos software. Once again, target audience being high school physics students. My IST standard for an educator is to advocate for equitable access to educational technology, digital content, and learning opportunities to meet the diverse needs of all students. And my IST standard for a leader is to ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So to use this software, they just use the function input screen on the left of the screen, type in as many functions as they need, and it'll create their desired graph. It's very simple to use for math and physics students. So we're now going to go take a look at it. So this is the screen right here. This is our input screen. We just click here. We're going to have all these functions pop up. I can input my x's, or I can just type them in. Now it automatically shows the graph y equals x. I can make it whatever I want, x squared plus 3 if I want. Now if I zoom out, we see a better representation of x squared plus 3. I can add more graphs. If I want to add cosine type graphs, I just go to the trig function here. I can add cosine of, I don't know, 4x. Now I have that on there. Now we can look and see where it intersects the two graphs at. Shows all the points where they're intersected at. You can zoom in, see them a little bit closer. But once again, students can use any software on their computer to screenshot this. I use the snip feature on mine. They can share their graphs, create a copy, and they can share it on any format they want as well. And if they have created a free account, they can even save their graphs for future access.